Hello guys, it's Corey here, and look at how many Apex packs I have. I've been saving up this season. I just hit gold, but you know what? I'm gonna have an Apex pack opening. So alright. Got a gold here. Oh, she got the Mozambique skin, the best weapon in the game. Alright, here's a legendary pack. Mostly got all these from like the battle pass, like last battle pass too. I can just press this one. So today is just another solo commentary video. I'm just gonna be opening up packs. My videos lately have been really scuffed, and I don't have anything to record, so I have my friend record the videos. This POV. And it's just all very scuffed. Hopefully I'll be doing more Destiny videos pretty soon. But right now I'm just playing Apex, playing Gonna hit plat again for the third time. Maybe skin. Right now I'm really hoping for a Heirloom. I want fucking what was Bloodhound's fucking Heirloom? Tomahawk. Tomahawk? I think it's Tomahawk. These normal packs have been really shitty. I still got like 20 to go, so. Not even gonna look at that shit. Maybe get enough crafting material for like a month or something. Buy all my buy some units I have in the game that I just added, so. Damn, that shit. Fuck. Yeah, it's like a menace stance. Looks like a menace to society. Fuck, look, he's just vibing now, look at him. All white privilege. Alright, anyways. Nice. More crafting materials. Almond's 15. Look at that. Come on, Heirloom. Come on, I'm gonna put Heirloom in the title. Come on, get a Heirloom. Oh shit, I always wanted this one. That was pretty cool. Come on, I want the Heirloom, at least one. My friend has fucking 2 of them. You know him as Brother Jew, or the Shy Guy. Got 2 Heirlooms. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, it's not good enough. I don't need any emotes or stuff. Oh yes, that's what I needed. Loba finishes. Oh yes, and Loba teleports, definitely. Oh look, current materials. Oh, Lego's 30. Oh yeah, I already have an Octane. Come on! This one has 7 left. I want a Heirloom. I'm never gonna get this shitty Heirloom. That's so much stuff. River skin. At least I'm getting a bunch of materials. Oh, Bukaki skin. Eh. Yeah, nope. More crafting materials. DOV, how not to get an heirloom. Bruh. Alright, you know what? Gonna close your eyes, everyone. Close your eyes. You're gonna buy 10 more. Just close your eyes, everyone. Alright, open them now. We're fine. We're back to the opening. Maybe if I buy some. Oh, that's a cool skin. Damn. Man, all my content is just scuffed. This is actually probably like my first time buying like a pack. Another gold. See? Watson. It's proven. Look, if you buy packs, you get better. You get gold. What's that? Pay pay for cool skins. More crafting items. You. Why are they all green? Like this pack is just a green pack. What is this? The camo pack. Ah, like it. I like purple. Oh. Another skin. Yeah. Oh yeah. Costume. Arena damage. Alright, if everyone likes and subscribes right now, I get a heirloom, please. Do it. No, you bastard. You lied to me. Alright, you guys. I think I don't have any money for any more packs, but I gotta. Look at this, look at this. Sheesh. Got the custom material. Sheesh. Alrighty. Yeah, I don't like that one. Anyways. I don't like this one. Anyways, I think that's the end of the video, guys. Hopefully I'll be creating more videos soon. And that's it.